welcome to our channel Classify Community. So today we will be doing the revision of module 2. So see, the first is that AC through resistance. So here the basic idea is that the current and the voltage are both in phase. That means there will be no phase difference between them. Okay, AC through inductance, basic part was that the current lags by 90 degree from voltage, whereas AC through capacitance is the current which will lead by 90 degree from voltage. Okay, now the next points are that the RL series circuit, here both resistance and the inductance will be in the same series, and here we know whenever there is a series and an AC supply, the current will be same for all the component but the voltage will differ. So for resistance it is the VR and for inductance it is VL. Similarly for RC series circuit, there is a resistance and a capacitor. Here also our current will be same but a voltage will differ. For resistance it will be VR, for capacitance it will be VC. RLC series circuit, here the resistance, inductance and the capacitance will be in the same series and the current will also be same for all these components, but the potential difference will differ. That means R for VR, inductance for VL and capacitance for VC. Whereas in RL parallel circuit, the inductance and the resistance are both in parallel, so the current will divide here. So the current across resistance is IR and IL for the inductance, and the voltage will be same for all the components. Similarly for RC parallel circuit, resistance across the current will be IR and for the capacitance it will be IC, but the voltage will remain the same. Similarly for RLC parallel circuit, resistance, inductor and capacitor, three of them, current will differ. That means for IR it's for the resistor, IC is for the capacitance, IL is for the inductance, but the voltage will be same for all the components. Now see, there is the power in AC circuit. So there are three powers, that is apparent power. Apparent power is denoted by S and it is the multiplication of the voltage and the current. Reactive power is denoted by Q and its formula is VI sin phi, and just the opposite is the active power and it is represented by P, whose equation is VI cos phi. Now if I talk about the advantages of three-phase power, you just need to remember that it gives a more uniform power delivery, as well as it will give uniform power delivery, but its power will remain the same and it will cause less vibration. In three-phase power there are three colors which are given. One is red, one is green, another is blue, and each of them differs by 120 degrees. So VA leads by 120 degree from VB, whereas VC also lags by 240 degree from VA. That means VA leads by 240 degree from VC. Now see the relation between the voltage and the current. There are two connections. One is a star connection. Star connection means the inverse Y, and is a delta connection is a triangle. So in star connection, the line current is equal to your phase current, that is IL is equal to I phase, whereas for the delta connection, voltage, that is the line voltage, is equal to the phase voltage. This is for the delta connection. And for the star connection, for the voltage case, the line voltage is equal to the √3 of the phase voltage, whereas for the current in the delta connection is the line current is equal to the √3 of phase current. Okay, and the last thing what we had done is two wattmeter method in both star and delta connection. Both of them we need to prove that P is equal to I1 V1 plus I2 V2. That means the total power is absorbed by each of the load, that is V1, V2 and V3 at any instant. So this was a brief revision of the module 2. I hope you all understood, and these are all the main points which you need to know in the whole module 2. So today's lecture ends here. Till then, be happy and have a great day. Now is the code time. Take chances, make mistakes. That's how you grow. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you
Wow,
for watching.
that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.